Baigan Aloo Sabji. Take 4 medium-sized potatoes and 2 medium-sized brinjals, cut lengthwise, wash and keep aside. In a plate take half a teaspoon jeera, half a teaspoon hing, half a teaspoon roasted jeera powder, half a teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Heat a thick bottom pan. Add 4 tablespoons cooking oil. To the hot oil, add cumin seeds, the brinjals, potatoes, turmeric powder and salt. Give it a good mix. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Give the remaining spices a good mix. Add the spices to the pan. Cook the vegetable with the spices for another 2 minutes. Baigan aloo is ready to be served to friends and family. Just divine. Like, share, subscribe.